Hello, Cedric from Property 65 again. And where am I today? I'm at Geylang, Lorong 34. And where in Singapore can you get a freehold 2-bedroom below 880,000? I will show you the house today. But first, notice behind of me, Kong Hwa Primary, which is ranking number 14 out of almost 200 primary schools in Singapore, all within 1 kilometer radius, which this is a good school, a 学区房.
Located only 5-minute walk away to Dakota MRT, Primedge is a freehold project and completed back in 2014. This project only has 36 individual units, which give you exclusive privacy.
While walking to the unit, would like to emphasize again, we are at Geylang, Lorong 34, meaning there's no loan restriction. I already checked with you for the local bank for it. You definitely can get bank finance for this property. We are, I would say, like a so-called the cleaner side of Geylang, nearer to Paya, Lebar and Dakota, which is both 10 minutes walk away from the property.
Primedge is also 8-minute walk to Aljunied MRT, where you can conveniently access to the east-west line. You can also easily find coffee shop, famous eatery, food store, clinic, bakery and supermarket, all just within 3-minute walk.
Also, not to mention and forget about, there's a lot of iconic eatery throughout Geylang streets.
The closest NTUC is FairPrice, which is 2-minute walk away at block 612 Geylang Road. Giant Supermarket is also 8-minute walk away at Tanjong Katong Complex. It is also close proximity to Paya Lebar MRT, where you can shop at PLQ Mall, Paya Lebar Square, SingPost Center, Tanjong Katong Complex City Plaza, to name a few. What's more, there are ready jogging tracks along Sungai Geylang River, which leads you to the beautiful Kallang River and Singapore National Stadium. As for family with children, the reputable Kong Hwa School, which is top 19, is in 1 kilometer radius, while Tanjong Katong Primary School is within 2 km.
And of course, transformation aspect. How can we forget about that? In the next 8 years, Singapore will have Paya Lebar Air Base relocation all the way to Changi, meaning all the property that you see around here, which is about 8-story high at the maximum height restriction cap, which will be unlocked to up to 36-story, meaning more on-block potential, transformation, more tenants, more buyer, capital gains for you again. And for your information, not to forget about Geylang rezoning, which is already announced in the paper. Some street in Geylang, let's say Lorong 4 to Lorong 22 will be rezoned as commercial area, making Geylang a cleaner aspect of Singapore. The red light district will soon be long forgotten for our next passed down generation. Here we are, Primedge Condo. Let's head up to the unit today.
This unit is sized at 527 square feet. Comes with 1 master, 1 common bedroom, 1 bathroom, a bomb shelter, and your fully fitted kitchen at the walkway.
Alright, stepping into the unit, both left and right corner, which we have neatly tucked away our kitchens and the stuff that we need for our daily cookeries and necessity. Nice homely wash basins, good enough for a family of 2 to 3, as this is a 2-bedroom condo. And the left over here, of course, induction cooker, plus our easy and good to maintain tempered glass, and also our wash and dryer corners. And stepping over to the middle of the walkway, what we have is a bomb shelter. Most of the new launch condo these days, they don't have this. They give you a 2-bedroom and a toilet, but you have no place to store your items, which is very nice that this bomb shelter solve all the necessity problems. And what I'm stepping on right now, a pristine, immaculate vinyl flooring all done up in the house. Alright, and what do we have here? The combined dining and living area have a table which is good enough to feed a 4-person dine-in. And right beside of us, the dining area, of course, we have the living room. Living room, I would say, nice sofa to distance area. Do consider that this house is more comfortable for a family of 3. It's a 2-bedroom and 1 toilet. And behind of me, we have our long balcony. The long balcony stretch all the way from the living to the common room and lastly to the master room, so you get ample sunlight throughout the whole unit.
The balcony is also served as an additional space for you, as you can do your zip thread curtain blinds so that you can fully utilize the space both from the living and bedroom.
And it is also so ingenious for the owner to have this creative designing. What I'm seeing here is the common room, but I don't feel constrained. Why is that so? We have a multi-purpose common area and a common room. As work from home is a social norm right now, that's why the owner actually redesigned the room into a study and a place that you can rest. both at the same time.
Do you know that Primedge has so much more potential? As mentioned from the start of the video, remember our Paya Lebar transformation that's happening at 2030? The size of Paya Lebar New Town will be 5 times of Toa Payoh Town. Connectivity between the towns surrounding Paya Lebar airbase will be improved, and commercial hubs will be developed with lots of future employment opportunities and amenities for the future residents. And this condo is a freehold status and give you a time frame in order for the transformation to happen. The bathroom is of a reasonable size. The finishing is original from developer, but owner has maintained it well.
And for the finale, entering the master bedroom. It is tastefully renovated and bring out the generous space of the room. To the left, we have this built-in wardrobe, and over here, a queen-size bed, and you can even put a baby cot here, perfect for small-size family.
Alright, I believe you are keen to know the payment plan for this beautiful unit. Assuming purchase price is at 850,000, you will need 5% cash, which is 42,500, 20% cash and CPF down payment of 170,000. Lastly, 75% bank loan 637,500, and the monthly installment will be at only 2,970 for a tenure of 30 years based on current bank loan of 3.8%. It is almost $500 lower than renting a 2-bedroom here. Do note that you can use your combined monthly CPF OA for the deduction of the housing installment.
Hello, it's me, Cedric, Property 65. We have come to the end of the video. Are you excited? Your heart beating fast to view this property? 一颗心扑通扑通的狂跳。Okay, be it is me or the property. I'll see you soon for the next viewing. 哎，走，我们去吃包了啦。蛋卷乳包，我最爱的就是蛋卷乳包。